How do I check if Stdin has some data? In Python, how do you check if sys.stdin has data or not? I found that os.isAT0 can not only check if Stdin is connected to a T device, but also if there is data available. But if someone uses code such as and after that uses os.isAT0, it still returns true. What do I need to do to check if Stdin has data?
I've been using. Here's an example. Running. Sys.stdin.isAT returns false if Stdin is not connected to an interactive input device, for example a T.
On Unix systems you can do the following. On Windows the select module may only be used with sockets though, so you'd need to use an alternative mechanism.
Depending on the goal here. Can also be useful.
As mentioned by others, there's no foolproof way to know if data will become available from Stdin, because Unix doesn't allow it, and more generally because it can't guess the future behavior of whatever program Stdin connects to. Always wait for Stdin, even if there may be nothing, that's what grep etc. do, or ask the user for a argument.
I found a way to use a future from concurrent.futures library. This is a GUI program that will allow you to scroll and hit the wait button when you are still waiting for Stdin. Whenever the program sees it has a line of information from Stdin, then it will print it in the multi-line box. But it does not lock the script lock out the user from the GUI interface while it is checking Stdin for a new line. Please note I tested this in Python 3.10.5.